Hi everyone, Agustin here and welcome to Wigs Philippines. Alright, so for this video, it's very special because I have created a custom made wig for one of our clients, and she's a very beautiful client of ours. So here it is. This one is a custom sized. So let me show you. Yeah, no. So whenever I see this, it's like an inspiration ng current hair ng one of the members ng Beanie, which is Mika, I should say. This one is a 24 inches of hair. Grabe, sobrang haba niya. Like, I'm telling you, sobrang haba niya. So this one is a 5x5 HD lace. And it's fully custom fit sa head ng ating client. So here it is. So yeah, we did repair this and this one. Kasi this wig is a ready-made. So the cap is ready-made and then we did alter the actual cap just to make sure that our client's head would fit perfectly. Before we only use tape measure when it comes to measuring the head. But this time, I've created another process which is yung pag-film or using a cling wrap to wrap all over the head to get your head size. So ngayon medyo since this is just a new process, again here at Wigs Philippines we're trying to innovate. And medyo pangit pa yung ating base ng head. I'm just using a styrofoam and some paper. But this is the actual head size of our client. Ayan. So it's very small. So imagine yung mga standard na wig head natin, which is like this one. Ito yung mga typical natin ginagamit na ulo. But this one, we created something that is specifically made for our client. So even yung sa ears natin, we have aligned it. Kasi usually, if we use the tape measure, the traditional one, yes, nakukuha natin yung measurement, but there are some alignments or yung form ng head natin na medyo nagiging tricky when it comes to the size of the wig. But for this one, it's perfectly fit and I'm just going to add an elastic band na lang for extra security. But this one is good. So again, this one is a 5x5 HD lace. So you can part this anywhere you want. And ayan, parang scalp yung makikita ninyo. And the color is custom color. So I'll show you, since our client is a undergoing chemotherapy, she was able to save her hair. So this is her actual bio hair, and we did custom color to, you know, achieve it. And as you may see, sobrang close niya talaga. Ayan o. This is the hair sample, and as you may see, ayan. When you brush them together, ayan, it would really blend. Ayan. See? Diba? It's just so great. So I'm very proud of our hair colorist here at Wigs Philippines for achieving this. So it's a bit tricky for us, but we are very happy that we were able to achieve the hair color. By the way, the hair texture of this hair is a permanent silky straight. So even after washing the hair, ganito siya kabagsak. So it's straight. No need to use flat iron. So on that manner, if less heat yung mabibigay natin sa hair, the hair would last longer. Kasi every time we put heat, diba, it could damage us the hair. But for this one, since it's permanent silky straight, no need to flat iron and the hair would last longer. But of course, we still need to provide treatment to the hair kasi hindi na siya nakakabit sa scalp, so wala nang natural oil to moisturize the hair. So we need to use a lot of product like hair mask, keratin treatment, and of course the silk press treatment, which we offer here at Wigs Philippines. But if you purchase, kasama sa package namin that if you purchase a wig from us, you would have one silk press treatment within the next 3 months. It's for free. And it would give extra moisture and shine to your hair. And mas babagsak siya. And it's just so beautiful. So again, this one for me, it's like Mika of Beanie. Anyway, I think si Siri bigla na lang nagsalita. Anyway, yeah, actually. Alright, so yeah, if you wanted to get a hair just like this one, go ahead and message us here at Wigs Philippines, or you may also visit our website www.wigsph.com. But for this one na yung custom made talaga, just message us on our Facebook. Just search Wigs Philippines with this logo, and you will be able to find us and message us what you need. Just let us know the hair length, the hair color, and the cap construction that you want. Again, we can adjust to your budget. So, depende yan sa budget nyo, yung mga materials na gagamitin natin. Alright, so again, we have different caps ng wig. But right now, this is one of the best seller because the cap is very easy to use and very easy to alter para very fit sa inyong ulo. So again, with Wigs Philippines, we do offer custom fit na wig, and we can also color and cut specific style just for you. Para, alam mo yun, even if you're undergoing chemotherapy, that you're going to lose your hair, or if you have alopecia, we are here to help you out just to achieve yung very natural looking hair na hindi ka titignan ng ibang tao. Here in our country, Philippines, most of the wigs that others offer are just ready-made. And even if sinasabi nila it's custom-made, hindi pa rin siya sobrang fit. But again, I found out a new solution on how we could achieve that very fit fitting ng ating mga wigs. At the same time, with the very quality hair. Right, so hindi ko lang siya masukat because it's not gonna fit my head because this wig is way too small for my head. But again, I'm very proud that here it is. So, it's just one of the wigs that we have created. Marami pa po tayong nagagawa. So, if you wanted to see some of our finished product na wigs, I'll try my best to post everything here because medyo busy lang. That's why we weren't able to post all of the wigs na natatapos namin because most of the time pare-pares lang naman itsura nila kaya hindi na namin sila pinupost. But for this one, it's very unique since it's red, and I'm very happy to be able to finish this. Medyo matagal lang, a few weeks din namin siya natapos. But again, I'm very happy and I can't wait to make a wig specifically for you. Alright, my name is Agustin and thank you so much for watching. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, to follow or anything dito sa ating social media kung saan ko man to pinost. But yeah, I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Bye!